with allowing a free and fair nomination. Once you allow it, abagusi bachore the best candidates at nomination level. Mchujo. Then you will end up kubana bantu the right at the general election. What we will not allow Fred to do is to come au mukia bantama boko. Kero Mugusi is averse to that. And it's very important to Monto Kumanya. Mugusi tatageti abe imposed on someone. And that one we are aware, and Dr. Fred is very aware of that. He is not going to campaign for any candidate. Like why you read the right word, ko hang on his coat. We won't allow that. Abantu bacho on their merit, the individual merit. So that only the best people, first of all, on merit, who can go and assist him. Already. So we'll want that voice everywhere some abantu. I personally, I will never use that line. Based on what I've been able to do, my abilities, and what I plan to continue doing for my people. Telinga, Nachikura, Fred. No. That is not an agenda. That cannot sell in any place.
There are people who don't agree now, but they want support Fred Mataya.
And they are welcome.
How do we handle that? Because you are a part of the circle.
Yes.
So how do we handle that?
I will want that I go to a fair nomination. Come to a fair playing field. I am currently a member of ODM.
Yes.
Is Fred in ODM?
Maybe we should ask you, are you running on ODM?
No, we are not.
What do you mean we?
We are not.
We is no.
As Omogusi, we are not. Yes. Take it to the bank. Yes. No contradiction.
Okay.
Yes.
So, as a formation, Yamokoros
Quran behind where Fred will lead us. Whatever it be it a coalition, if ODM will be that coalition, so be it. Or a party. So we will wait for the guidance of our leader.
Political parties, Chagusi, Chiro Democracy Coalition. After they did, and they said they registered a coalition. For example, so that all the political parties within Wachamo cross a coalition, could that particular power, so that to avoid this,
I hope you know that watu watu for the people was not Omogusi's party. I hope you know that.
Yeah, I do.
That kills your argument.
Are you talking about Jubilee?
I've not said that. I've just said
no.
There
what
are
are you
many
talking about?
Aspects. So Kiarota is going to drive to a point of some parties, a coalition. I have never engaged them myself, but I have listened to them, and they are right in their discussion. It should be embraced, but we should sit on a broader and we argue, so that Ekaroto could make a decision. To be a decision of how not we only give Umurayoito Chikura from Busi, Nebirogo from Busi, but also the wider country. So it is a debate to with all stakeholders. But the biggest stakeholder to me is Umwananchi, the voter, not where 2-3 politicians sit. That's where we get it wrong. We are the professionals who need to be consulted. We have legal minds who need to be consulted. Let this not discussion ever Gisairo Isaransa na Kiba na Osero Kurwa na Nyamoko, let it not be just that. To take it a broader. That Umwananchi aegu a voice, aru input. How do we not only konyoraba jumbe kuru Busi, but national?
Okay. Is it broader? Because we are only singing Gisairo, Kibagendi, Osero, Onyonka. How broad is that?
It is broad, wide, and deep. Broad, wide, and deep. Kera nyambona iga baba who are the circles of baba kero kuri just a general muntu agore andu baba.
You are an ODM member, you should be one telling me you think the ODM.
But what you see on the media,
I cannot speculate.
You will always see some people, but that does not mean ODM is not wide. ODM is very wide. Nevwate roots all over. So, kelimu aroche, in kelina ki, we need to bring Fred out in the open. Now, depending on the interest jawanto, baro batali bold enough for penena. Because first of all, into the members of parties. You see, Omwano Minto Roba was bold enough. And you pay the ultimate price. Not everyone already go take that bold step. And you can't blame them.
Okay.
Right? You can't blame them because different levels of risk takers. Yeah? Some of us fall in the category of extreme risk takers. We are ready to, to die and for what we believe in. If that means the end of my political life, but it's the right way, so be it. So, walikuwa roche are those you saw almost Kenya Moko. UDA. He's right there. You saw him.
I did.
He has never missed a single meeting. So it's not mimi hapa na kiba, hapana. We have others, and we do have others who are very supportive, but for reasons that we understand. They are back office, and they are doing a sterling job.
It's wide, deep,
and broad.
Yes. Let's leave it at that. Then maybe will say is that one. I know Mujimbo Chorere kuru Nyamira County.
Yes.
You are part of the leadership in Nyamira County. Nikyo karansete gari maega ekero Nyamira ko gendroje. Nikyo karansete gari maega instead of providing leadership so that we see the county.
Omaete Nyakundi gariki.
One, you are aware of the issues in Nyamira. You are aware that Nyamira County has got 2 assemblies. You are aware that Nyamira County MCS don't read from the state, including your member of the county assembly, ward. Don't you have ability to provide leadership?
So is aransete. Boso mori katiba. Nki katiba got tevi about government. Otobwate 2 levels of government. A level yamo national government. A level ya kabere county government. Nakundi nane karoko enda kwake kura chi ballot box chiri kabekini buna chibangire e ballots both ndangani ero yo mu president akabere kumubwati ero yo mu jumbe national chi ballot both county jamanya ko karaki kubwati egasiane no ko oversight national government. Mo president na bawaziri bae. A county ikebwate executive yaye ekorawa no mo governor. Alafu ekoba oversighted na abaraiba ito bakoroku aba MCA. Over and above at national level by MCA ba akolire kyaba vetted by Senate. Again, tubuna impeachment na nini erasima gechesi Senate na and Senate yarwanirira ebango eribu ebwenda tekorek again the same county. We have structures that provided kurigireria mangana ye county. Nimanye tenga abantu mbakani ngaki ngi Gisairo atali kugambira ngi atali kurwere ngana gocha mangana ye county. Lakini kero kwanja ore tonga etikasi okunogo soa chisegi echuchire instigated. Tindi kwa agree at all with what Kegenda Nyamira. Service delivery in Nyamira County has been terrible. Lakini legally, kisheria, timbu at legal standing. igonyo no uri okunya kuoga na mayogi bakuoga kwanya korora to kurangiria abagaba na kusaba MCA to National Assembly. The answer is no.
Legally to kunya provide any
already. So muna to kunya ra okore into legally to kwenda nyo en court legally.
How but you can do it politically.
Politically how?
You are part of the political leadership.
Na kingo tebanga ki if I can't think kunya ko summon to the National Assembly. Other than kuoga matanga. Inkinda akore kwetanya. Ikegara I don't find ngende na matanga nja ke kuoga ena go tebia don't agree nebintu bigenda tena ibintu ne byo bosoko 2 assemblies 2 speakers 2 messes ne byo bosoko a governor is working with one faction again the governor tabanda tiko kora it's a shame.
You've been to, problem why I'm asking this question.
Yes.
I have seen you not in one forum, not in 2 forums. Is it these MCAs come? They even speak themselves, and you just walk away.
What was the agenda of that forum? You followed. It
was an education forum.
Did I discuss among education?
Yes, you did.
Political forum.
So you select on what to answer?
Ndangeli on a political forum on address on political matters. To nchika nga nchito kwa niresemi umaita yega ayekero ko ndangeli is a broad interview. Abongo kwere ne everything. Lakini ko konte bitoka ende to bali na abana be school bare ngari. Na to kwanda ko tiringanira iko mutu abana be school. Some of them abana bali school bale that actually teri bagetutu teri banyamira. It is a national school. Abana barali naba ikwe. Tuchakora mana mutu abana. Eras matomanya ngaki agenda ye forum nereri. So a county na ande kodino kotaka kongusa nko anenga na answer do with one faction. At best kinda akole no gotema comediate.
If you were to advise them, if you were in that position, what advice? Which advice would you give?
Vice answer, but bring their problems to an end. Wachake okorera banyamire gasi. Failure to which njendo che the guillotine omusumeno baganyete. Tori gocha gorgere infection kikwarenge. I would strongly kobasabanga ki abana ba minto abantu baito banyamira bato eteke barwa. Bato eteke barwa nenkore yamo. Lakini bona igato abasokeri. Yarenge konyarekana bayisaranse. Na tima eteke bakobona. Muna nebesa na bakwigwana ngaki bakubagana. Muna nama bagaye gasi na bakwigwana. Muna nyari bosinyirwe gasi na bakomotenga kwasinyirwe gasi ngo discipline tori. They have the powers. Bayisaranse ba agree emyake yatkere ibere actually no yomo. Tero ribo mo ne campaign ayetori mujumbe ko semo MC ane candidate. Batikere no mwaka oyomo. Batarenge gwancha bayisaranse. Muna abana abamo bari kinyo na bagaka watatwe egento kaliye bachandete bahira niga cyumwaka oyomo bahitinyo ne budget ejubarara ke during campaign nganto akore teke wetere budget ikara bona iga gendonkeyo any of them from governor to MCA para to tebinga yakore kanire because osyo gotoigwana ainge wancha baisaranse bagambe baigwane tokonyo munyamira
ida kana mirongo no mwancho motagalisha tokire chinsani seto chabono mambia 0724256504 wetera ase ensemble ya WhatsApp nakomanya igoro yanga kiora nyara kwanyoreka kinga kiburimo KCB Simba City nerenchira engiye yo kwanyoreka kinga kiburimo asiri bagabo igo okutwara ryo gosirwa nebengi ya KCB Bank aso kwanyoreka tongoro yo gwakarero burimo bwiga burimo bane bureke bare igoro asensema ya Mombasa Road barabare na Green Park Estate just le kemerongo be na isano choka ku Nairobi CBD nigo bwateri bagari yo kwanyoreka kinga kiburimo aida sura gacho be kenyumba yo kumenya usina ne biashara igo bore 40/80 na nigo bogo chakira chilingi milioni emo na chimisano na isatu 1.8 million to basuku chanda igonga wecho kubusibesa KCB Bank na obali tayari kugosira banyorera beseyo obure mubegane bo kwali bagari ya kabisa rukonyorera sagen obure mo sagen ndete gukina na kukaria sana aidha sokore biashara gosina sokorera asokwa gachana na sinyomba yo kumenya na kwendeke ngaiga konyorore asaba abantu bande bamenyire ase biashara na bayona na sokomenya kwa enka uri mubegane bo bwate libagariya because directly boko access ko bo sana boko ikaro wetera aspara chibekire rami buna bono by the go so gwetera go Chakra Expressway na igori bagarije rigo swaro chisemo chini chiraro Lukenya Hills no burigiriretie so means go konyara apili irengia kabisa boy university ya Desta na irangabo airport ne roro SGR station tubwase babwende onsi okutanyore kineke burimo ba mchiri mutuna kobeka site house yararo so that yonye kubwata maswali ndi onsi onyara kuba kwandaro obabori lakini onye togwe karo 0743 666 0743 666 wase 0758 000 yani enotana ebere inye isato isanemo enoti wase noti sana bere isano isato enoti isano Simba City, the ultimate address for business and fine living. KCB Bank for people and for better. KCB nigetenere nebengi ya Central Bank of Kenya. Kuna WhatsApp, sorry.
Adira wanye rubo limo 40 by 80 asura biki biashara kusikomenya wachakire chishilingi 1.8 million asuba siwe nebengi ya ploti ya Simba City wego kiri kurigire bitumo bya Kenya batalere asechia bisigo so akesi mia namba 0743 666 000 0758
Ya baba.
Taifa.
Igasa FM nguva ya mwenyekiti ngese shinambe maso basemyo kumena kwa kideka ni 15 na ibiri choka chategere kubwate swalinde oragane kubodi tafadhali korabo betera senchira ya 0724256504 baske maswana igate kunyarwa to kurgeria senchira erendonge so mheshimiwa okay na I think we address ile hiyo let us embrace accountability to all elected leaders in line with the constitutional dictates. Okay. Okay. Mbotoma dosare wetera 0724256504 mwanzo mutagere wetera asense mo ye page to ya WhatsApp Usina bokole kase page ya WhatsApp. I'm trying to get my mitandao ya neronkra chire yanyo kidogo lakirende asenchira irengia tikato shughuli kirengane hiyo na tutalea asoko somali swali yao so ase omogusito chamo we can run behind Matiangi speaking with finality omwendo mwamtukoro agesure bas chache okay Mheshimiwa kwa ndigoro ya Nyamira okay Julius Gichana I think kwa Muigure ujumbe ya igoro ya Nyamira
no nyene hiyo political formation abeko made national. It is about goodwill toche mesa with open minds yogo konya abantu baito na ko elevate a candidate yaito nerokane national already so nakinata etenga Erasmus to isalance twins not just political leaders lakini professionals babe involved, stakeholders once people babe involved, and also Erasmus to consult abantu batali abagusi also ekiagara ntugo sukuma Matiangi ntutweka Erasmus toligi abasani abange so elas manyambara bubakaleki babe ekiana telio mogusi council chair to ngochoraga we are discussing about omonene umoraibuinse where we have over 40 tribes nga kito go involve everyone, all these stakeholders. They are also nyanyan campaign ebwate political financing to a way where our candidates akonyora enough support goetera following yabantu na goetera financial backing. Igo bosani obu Erasmus bobo gare mbo base ko ndogenda ari gusi town ye bosongo chituka na na oto ko kigambere kyo it won't work ekarukuri a presidential candidate.
Yakundi kiro byanje ngoro konya sandi ko mabombo ward nkwande moske Clive Gisairo ko mubori ya sekenyero kyali owero ni chiefs camp office gesunde kirebono estima na nyara kubeka bana basomere.
I think estima na responded. Gave a clear line.
James Abuki Kurumagena, good morning Nyakundi. We are not going to be used by the guy called Raila or another person. We supported Raila instead of betrayed us. He didn't support Nyachai. We need
Nedinga umugusi akwegena konyora kwegena bwango kwegena nando mugusi ntwanya gotene na other than 2002 okonyora ntuli gotene na momono no rigereri Kibaki na Raila no totema Raila otoko chatwa bwatesi Raila tanya konyora nga 70-80%. Origereri usually ekoba 50 something igono ori onde konyora ale origereri aba gusinko mochibale koba split anga in the middle igo obomo obuna bukonya boborete whereby nandi yanko baranga ki who do we say song who do coalesce around esente yaito ye gravity gotomusa nereri ekina kikonya getoborete after the exit of Nyachai nto avoid to that. It's not politically
at least ye na bokonya oversight.
It's an independent commission in terms of esiba current office chabo go esiba go chora go put office. That is the tebuati political influencer. So a CDF office a year is still in Manga ward. My thing and is still in the same ward. Nima nyete ngambari kerete CDF. Enyumba ni rali nene sana ya CDF. Bagatebanga office tole very conducive. Moto rooms in that building. Nande bagwa na rent. So IBC oka na resabete relocated to CDF office where it work and rent to CDF board. Evio is not a very political discussion.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have Anyakunde, I have 2 questions or 3, but I'll see what's in the chance. Mheshimiwa Clive Gisairo. We have a primary school which is aware school has no grade 9 class that were constructed by national government in the partnership with NGCDF. Number 2, the same school, like primary, there was administration block that was constructed by NGCDF. The Sengakia Shadrach Mose, it collapsed and it was inspected and found that the work was done poorly. This matter has brought to attention Engonko. What have you done about it? Even as NGCDF headquarters shown, the project was success. Being Engonko in the education committee, is he aware that GSS people's much of their studies are online, yet there are no internet services?
What did I sorry amanga?
I think
I don't discuss projects cha predecessor one. Ekiagara those are CDF projects. Ekaro ya collapse CDF board. Ne bwate mechanisms cho koraki. Choko tinda itiko iso into political discussions. You go discuss work done under my predecessor. Vuna ne virasi schools echiko toma proposals and to evaluate the CDF committee go evaluate kulingana na okogania ekiagara ma tekero monto ekara isaransete aro chobo kongu wa na bobo kongu obonene PNC lakini ekaro CDF committee go isaransa ere kurigirie constituency ngima ararire so oto gotema go prioritize esa marinda ko Nyakundi korunso obis ebirasi biya na agachire new classes from 0 every 81 ebirasi na renovatory maybe ndego complete byare tigerenchera na aba predecessor bane and renovation 75 ko bichenji byabere binya nebye karoto gukora ego utoko bibeka lockers and chairs alafu ebirasi mbiro chikuru nchiro cyabate birasi bire buya televisions bire bobepi tuabagorire lockers 1,500 1,500 lockers and chairs igo ntoka saine ntogo ikera byonse kering ntona atake to move away from noko ru partial checks for project
or you go finish it and move on another
igo kina so a project my committee eco make sure within 3 months una ne birasi 4 months yaga achiru yaelire otoko hand over to a community a complete project. So na ngotaka nga abantu bane balemereri igombwate 134 primary schools chibesa nkoyegu tingo solve all the problems within 1 financial year or 2 financial years, but my promise neringa ngotabokile chisukuru chonsi p if not this term in my second term. Yeah.
Okay.
Hapa mangana you are online na nini
ya botabanga inobune committee mura wanga most of the work ya bana baiga ba junior secondary school gere online.
Those are challenge thought ngaki again take care lenge kia but implementation jalenge properly thought out kiagara totale kanyani ga bunto maitenga capitation terigo ikaini time na kiwo cha kobeka ICT una capitation yo katora baraki tratuma any problem very bigger than a committee of education eibone ko gende se executive kiagara na ere go present a budget yabo okugani kwabo ese ministry of education na renge kibaba gete choice echo ebyo on spirit be constrained ne ogosangireri kwabo ba kunyara ko budget wetani gosangireri ko ba gosangireri ko ebango yeah
ebara ya iwero etangi wengo kwere mbepi ililimwe but not maram what went wrong
abuninka
abana twat baru chiru
abo mwane so motebi atararira mono abuninka so yani no ko kya bage tutunga igonde fair tindi go tsakeranga mwane but I can tell them epare ina na nere budgeted it is among chibese chitaracha chire locked in chikots
Nyantaro is the classroom in as much as it is outside the CDF mandate of the problems.
If you not a comment,
okay,
or be a whatever, it's not in my mandate.
Ansele fundi liswale skuru ya Nyantaro DP ere ama homo kozi yo shule sai
the same ebirazi bya bya primary okay so I will not comment among an ICD na botoko lyo mo MCA osomo haba na chera neri osomo waziri education Buhowe County ngaba beteke to task bakore gasi yabo mbabasa kuntweke bintu bitaliya
echama nechere dekoro bosyango nyagancha wetenge MCA gachuba ward mbiya mono ko gwali ogira mujimbone Clive Gisairo ndembiya mono akorera gasi batiri bole riane neri partner korwa lia maemba gucha preparatory bunyonyo primary school mpaka gachuba nigero mugondo haki na kiago tokonya.
I will confirm barake you
egatebe korwa lia maemba gucha preparatory bunyonyo primary school mpaka gachuba nigelembe.
I will check kosenere in my current if it is under my jurisdiction na bonkora kosenere budgeted and have fixed kiagara njiro I understand njiro mbre ya tu nyinge ya sali quite a number of roads njia salika rainy season yeye lakini chire budgeted for once we cover released we will have them fixed. Alafu obyobo ligoro yakeke nata kwa about the collapsed buildings vinatagete but nata nande mumanyinga ese financial year ni budget ko beka kwa acha 2 classes so only might their challenge and they are going to receive very gradually.
I'll give you 2 minutes security situ chachire we have only 3 minutes to cover the program so I'll give you 2 minutes what they already resmogusi address mo getutu address mo gusino mo kanya baterete
asaba getutu ndaite mbata imbia mono cyagera enerenga kentanga nito kemya ketato bogetutu at least very politically charged nere ne anchira netenge gasingo kole kanere bogetutu engima n'abantu bane ngomera natore gotarande chipara twagamba bande byukani kwabo togendere n'enchireyo naboko natwakonyere bogetutu yeito nero yarokanire ese ramani ya Kenya. Asa umugusi mtu basa kungaini tuchake watana nande toro kiringa na buto gotene namu esa bali eteri chako baraisi bange mba kwa matobe bange mbaramu bange mbabekirwe bina totenene amo irrespective yebitisho turanyore abantu mbache n'ekibesa oyo okoleta chibesa manya bese chitiri gasi acheta akora kariga murago koletera chibesa cyase narabucha koru chibesa chini cyao cyabona to wakanira sha ogendo rwari igo chigocha bangera ini kabisa nande sabachi saine karo bachire cyakubwate imya icyagere kini cyawo nkwera ngo kwera ndibarenge loan yawo babwate deni bareta bwata chisaine lakini nto basa kungainwa omugusia ndonse skwabeta kindly totale sabari amu tukanyomora iyo ito okengo acha totebi naki ngeito kubori guchi kago totebi nchera neye tigatumu bwati naliturwane segi buno omugusi nto basa kobe kuchi basi totali okuna kugo sabakwane nabara ivonspi tigatukwana one language esi bali tochorire mbaro tomaete for ese nche ibirogo biri mu bwate abeko bakongo kwana lakini togyoyu arete kende mugushi yakonyeke lakini to basa kurama omwana omino to basa komo kai karo wakodire ko togyoyu kwa ngotogi ande gwachaga kurama omuraibu mugushi nto basa koiramera eriera tokonye ekiagera by 2027 nano uri ore sekali era smart genjera era moirani eri self survival bono buna kwaramanire kwaramira abana bamino bonsi nge ogocha gochaka gusabira ukwabira by the time chikuranje gwekonya kwa ruturusko igaya oni oyo atoletere gento esa serikali era obisi nebone to kodra bana inchi bonsi gasi ya chole tukenye ngima so emyaka yetano tukabakore gasi nturi kubarama tukatuba masikani abo bakorera bana inchi gasi lakini na into batosike buno mugusi nganto bwate decision ndo bwate ability yo kuamua kerito bana tokorero ande ngobora tokomora yetu
Honorable Clive Gisairo mbema sana sanga munene tasema mbyabono kema no mwanju mutegereza maswali yawe nabo gaso kubekana ya kuoka senchere mose ni nabo basochora ko bemegesa FM asema mbyabono chero cia kunekorwa ndarasoka gati yankumanya nande igoro yenchira orenyore kinga kiburimo aseseno kuma KCB Simba City enere nchira yo kayabene uranyara gutwara ribagari ku university sekira kiburimo nando buyambo ringaga igaturu cyo cyande kamangane kibese kire ya KCB no era igakokonya uri mugwegani go buri asensemo ambassador di Barbara na Green Park Estate jide kemero ngwe na isano choka ku Nairobi CBD nabo kwagaja itobeke biasara usira bokwagacha obeke nyumba yawe komenya igobore 40/80 bakubona gotakira 1.8 million usirwa sikibeso na otebya nebengi ya KCB gote twara muchano ni bwensi aye no bwatere bagari yabende yo kutwara buri mubure ase paru ko netemanya